Hi, should you get the Silverlit Exost Fury Cross 2-in-1 remote controlled car? If you want a quick answer, I would say yes. But do know that both the remote and the cars, especially the big one, is very plasticky. However, using my 4-year-old as a test driver, thrower at times, the car have actually been holding together perfectly fine. The little car does not get shot out of the big one as the pictures on the box would indicate, but instead one of the remote controlled buttons make it go forward on maximum speed for about 2 seconds, making it jump out of the big car off of a little ramp inside of it. Cool, but a little misleading and also a little bit tedious to put the small car back inside the big one, and you will most likely just end up driving them separately after a while. Switching between both cars though is super easy with the press of another button on the controller. However, there is no indicator telling which of the cars is being controlled at which time, so there's a little trial and error every time here. The 25-meter reach, I would say, is pretty correct, and the big car and the remote takes 6 and 4 AA batteries respectively, whilst the small car charges from the controller. A pretty okay setup. The only downsides apart from the plasticky feel is that the turning radius of the bigger car is very low, and doing 3-point turns inside is extremely time consuming. At the same time, and on the opposite side, the smaller car is way too fast for its own good. However, this have seemed to entertain at least my kid quite a lot since it flips and flies everywhere. The back wing of the small car, however, fell off after a few crashes and should probably have been glued into place during manufacture, but the car works just as well without it. Other than that, it's actually not a bad kit for the price. The jump out function is fine, albeit a little misleading. However, I am more actually appreciating the ability to bring 2 cars with me with only 1 remote. So yeah, if you're still thinking about it, get it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.